So like you guys, I spend a lot of time on YouTube watching motorcycle content. And there's this one channel I like to watch about these guys up in Pennsylvania who not only like motorcycles, but they also like beards. I think their names were John and Greg. Among other amazing content, they've done a few videos reviewing motorcycle products from Amazon. And one of those products were these small motorcycle mirrors, which they pretty much ruled as useless. Well, to be honest with you, I thought they looked kinda cool, so I kinda bought them. Let's go check them out.
So first thoughts, these mirrors are tiny. They are correct. They are not huge. The one on the right I seem to have adjusted pretty good. I can actually see pretty decently. Like, I can see everything in the lane behind me, and I can see everything in this freaking shoulder. There it is. That's what the word I was thinking of. I think I still need to get this left one dialed in. If I can get her pointed up just a hair. Actually, that's a little better. I'm really digging the look. The slimmer profile with the apes works absolutely fantastic. We'll have to ride around a little bit more to check it out, but since I tilted this left one up a little bit, it's not that bad. Now we're getting out here on more of a multi-lane. Let's see. On my left, I can see actually all 4 lanes behind me, and I can barely see my shoulder. On the right side, I see the lane that's next to me, and I see the lane I'm in. So honestly, these aren't that bad. I mean, at least on the 12-inch apes, I'm pretty happy with them. When I bought these things, I wasn't really sure what kind of quality I'd be getting, but these actually feel really solid. Like, I mean, once you get these adjusted, they're not going to flop around. They feel like solid aluminum. They don't feel like that cheap pot metal crap you usually get with China stuff. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being no mirrors, 10 being factory mirrors, probably give these, I don't know, maybe a 6. They're not useless by any stretch of imagination, other than the fact that they're small. But I can see behind me to my left, I can see behind me to my right. I don't feel unsafe. So that's kind of a quickie look at these mirrors. I thought they looked cool, so I wanted to check them out. I probably talked myself in circles, but that's okay. I appreciate y'all hanging out. And if you want to know more about these ape hangers, you can check out this video right now. And this is my turn. And I will catch y'all later. Y'all be good. See you.